In this video I'll show you guys how you can increase the size of your dimension and make it more readable. Hi, I'm Jayesh and this is the Engineer's Guide. So one of the most common problems which a beginner faces is that he has made the entire sheet given the dimensions, but the size of the dimensions is way too small so that it is not readable. There are two simple ways of increasing the height or the overall size of a dimension. The first one is by using the dimension style manager. Just type D followed by a space bar and the dimension style manager will open. Go in the modify tab, then go in symbols and arrow section. In that, go in arrow size. Currently it is 0.18. Let me change it to 2. Press enter. Then go in the text bar. Then go in the text height. It is also 0.18. Let me change it to 2 as well. Press enter. OK and close. Now you can see that the dimension size has increased, but obviously this is way too big in comparison with the drawing which we've made, so we want it to be in proportion with our drawing. So let me again open the dimension style manager. Command is D followed by a space bar. Go in the modify tab. Text section, text height, let me change this to 0.5. Press enter. Symbols and arrow. Your arrow size, let me change this to 0.5 as well. Click OK and click close. This looks good. So this is how you can increase the size of dimension. Let's say there are 12 to 15 different dimensions in your sheet and you want to increase the size of only one dimension. There is a way to do that too. Just double click on the dimension which you want to increase the size. Let's say I want to increase the size of this radius dimension. Just double click on that dimension and again double click to select the entire dimension. Then go to the top bar, the annotative, this text height. Go and change the text height. Let us make it 2. Press enter and then close the text editor. You can see that the size of only that dimension has increased. Just a quick tip where most people get this wrong is they double click on the dimension and they don't select the dimensions. They just go and put values in the text height. Let me put it 1. Press enter. Then close the text editor. You'll see that nothing has happened. The reason is you've got to select the text. That is, you've got to select the dimension and then put the annotated value. Select the entire dimension, then put the annotated value. Let me put it 1. Press enter and close the text editor. You can see that the size automatically decreased. So if you guys want to know more about the dimension tool, I've made a separate video on it. I'll drop the link in the description, and at the end of this video you'll see on your screen. If you guys like the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos from Training Series. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.